about the sun for kids. A big star that is located in the heart of our solar system is going to be revealed to us tomorrow. Which name does it go by? Indeed, it is the sun. To be more precise, the sun is the sole star that exists in our solar system. Now, however, it is very large. It shines brightly, and had it not been for it, there would be no life on Earth. So it is of the utmost significance. Let's begin with this, though. The sun is a type of star. The concept that the sun is nothing more than a typical star is the first thing that we are going to learn about it. Yes, you read that correctly. A standard star, that's what it is. Our galaxy, which is known as the Milky Way galaxy, is home to hundreds of billions of stars. However, the sun holds a special place in our hearts, right? Even though it is located at the core of our solar system, the sun is just an ordinary star. The sun receives its energy from hydrogen. When it comes to burning brightly, the sun, like other stars, needs hydrogen. Just as food is the fuel that we consume, hydrogen is the fuel that the sun uses, and gasoline is the fuel that automobiles use. The sun receives its energy from hydrogen. If you are curious about what hydrogen is, it is a gas that can be found everywhere in the cosmos. Another reason why it is difficult to see is because it does not have any color to it. On the other hand, it might be anywhere. In actuality, hydrogen is the element that is found the most frequently in our cosmos. Therefore, hydrogen is the gas that stars consume as their fuel. The rate at which a star consumes hydrogen increases in proportion to its size. Thank goodness, the sun still has a supply of hydrogen that is sufficient for at least 5 billion years. As a result, the sun will continue to blaze for a very long time. I have a question that is quite intriguing. For how far away is the sun from the Earth? Is the distance between the sun and Earth, when compared to this enormous star that sits in the core of our solar system, how far away is our planet? It's quite a distance away, to be sure. That is quite a distance away. From Earth, the distance to the sun is approximately 93 million kilometers. To put that another perspective, it is around 93 million miles distant from our planet, Earth. And that's a very lucky thing. The fact that the sun is around 93 million miles away is a wonderful thing, because if we were any closer to the sun, the temperature would be so high that it would be impossible for life to exist. Furthermore, if we were further away, we would all freeze because the temperature would be much too low. On the other hand, the distance between the sun and the Earth is just right. Having a massive star that is 93 million miles away certainly makes it easier for us to view things, doesn't it? One of the benefits of having a giant burning light that is powered by hydrogen amid our solar system is that it is beneficial. Do you think it would be possible to live in a world where there is no light? Such a scenario would play out. One can imagine what our world would be like if sunlight were not present. You do realize that it would be pitch black. Absolutely nothing would be visible to us at all. It would be ridiculous if we kept running into each other when we were together. It was like, oh my goodness. Can you tell me whether that is a mountain or a chicken? Or what exactly is happening? So where am I? What exactly is going on? Power derived from the sun. We can see what is going on around us because the sunlight is shining on us. However, the sun is much more than just a source of illumination. Solar energy is a source of power. One of the most effective ways that the sun may supply energy is through a process known as photosynthesis. Whoa! That is a very large term. Are you able to assert that with us? The process of photosynthesis, indeed, the process of photosynthesis. Through the process of photosynthesis, plants can synthesize oxygen and plant food. Plants are unable to produce plant food or release oxygen if they do not receive sunshine. Remember that plants are not the only organisms that derive their energy from the sun. When it comes to energy, we also rely on the sun. What we refer to as solar energy is the energy that we obtain from the sun. In the same way that plants absorb sunlight through the process of photosynthesis, people can absorb sunlight via the use of various devices known as solar panels. That is, isn't it cool? A pair of gentlemen are seen here installing solar panels. Sunlight is a potent force. The fact that humans can harness some of its energy to generate power and electricity is astounding. Having the opportunity to study about the sun alongside you has been a delight. The final analysis. The fact that the sun is the sole star in our solar system was brought to our attention. Would you be able to recall the location of the sun within our solar system? It's true, the exact center of the pack. Indeed, as is the case with other stars, it is powered by hydrogen. Because it contains a significant amount of hydrogen, it will continue to burn for a considerable amount of time. According to what we discovered, the sun is around 93 million kilometers distant, which is the ideal distance. If the sun were to be further away, the temperature would be so low. The temperature on this planet would be much too high if it were closer. Another thing that we discovered was that the sun not only gives off light, but it also gives off energy. In a process known as photosynthesis, plants use the energy that the sun gives them. In addition, humans can harness the power of the sun through the use of solar panels. It is referred to as solar energy when it comes from the sun. Did you see this? The light that is emitted by the sun takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel to the surface of the Earth. Observe that you should never look directly at the sun. It takes more than 4 years for the light that comes from Proxima Centauri, which is our next nearest neighbor in the solar system, to reach Earth. Solar wind is a stream of charged particles that is produced by the sun, which is responsible for the creation of weather in space. These particles can occasionally be seen erupting from sunspots, which are cooler portions of the sun's surface, in the form of solar flares, which have the potential to disrupt power on Earth. Many stars share their systems with a second or third star, but our sun is the only star that dominates the solar system individually. What would it be like to have 2 or 3 birthdays? Even though it is significant in the broad scheme of things, the sun is neither very complex nor particularly unique. In comparison to the billions of other stars in our galaxy, it is on par with the average size and is of a middle-aged age. In addition, even though it is responsible for 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system, the sun is nothing more than a large gaseous ball. A process known as nuclear fusion is responsible for the transformation of hydrogen into helium deep into the core of the sun, where temperatures reach a comfortable 18 million degrees Fahrenheit, 15.7 million degrees Celsius. During the process of fusion, energy is produced, and it takes 1 million years for that energy to make its way to the surface of the sun. At some point in the future, the core will exhaust its supply of hydrogen gas, which will bring an end to our enjoyment of the sun. But there is no need to be concerned, because that day won't arrive for at least another 5 billion years. Share in the comments. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. See you in the future video. And thanks for watching. The sun is a common star, but it holds a unique significance for humanity. Our brightest point. Thank you very much to all of our supporters who have helped make these movies possible. If you would like to assist us while also getting some cool homeschool pop tattoos, you can get more information by visiting homeschoolpop.com or clicking on the link that is located below the video. As always, you are fantastic! We appreciate you studying alongside us. Share in the comments. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. See you in the future video, and thanks for watching.